For the past few decades, India is the largest arms importer in the world. Over 80% weapons imported from Russia. So however we have to dependent on the other nation. For the some reason the environment of making weapons in India is not suitable. For few decades after got independent in 1947, India was independently acquiring new weapons from another country. In 2014, Indian arm export is risen into 6 times. When the new government elected, after making scheme of Make in India that will enhance our defense production. Lots of initiative taken by the government that time. The previous year 2021 to 2022, our defense export has risen to rupees 11,607 crore. Currently, the government set a target of achieving defense export worth 35,000 crore, means $5 billion. To achieving the target of $5 billion, we have to make lots of weapons in our country. Year by year, government spend lots of money in defense R&D that will take our infrastructure of facility of defense related industries. Right now, the government has enhanced FDI limit in defense sector is up to 74%. That will increase the foreign direct investment in defense sector. After that, lots of private sector of Indian industries are also investing in defense sector. Our government company already taken a lead to develop lots of defense equipment in our country. DRDO and HAL is the lead taking company in our government company. After the launch of Atmanirbhar Bharat, the government has initiated a negative import list that will ban the import of weapons from any country under the items list. Over the past few years, the Indian company, including private and government, has already taken lead in the defense making equipment and weapons. Lots of countries shows their interest to buy weapons from our country like BrahMos, Akash NG, Tejas, frigate, air-to-air missile, radar system, electronic item and lots of things. It will increase our defense export towards across the nation. We have already export bulletproof jacket over the 100 countries. The government is highly focused on indigenization of defense making equipment and weapons to become the largest exporter of the arms. In defense market share, India has 2 to 3% of share, but after 3 to 4 years, India's share will rise. After that, it will create huge ecosystem of defense ecosystem industries. India's initiative of $5 billion export in defense sector will boost the Indian economy. Upcoming 3 to 4 years, the economy rate of India is 7 to 8%. That will suitable for our defense spending and R&D. Thank you for watching our videos. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.